We recently observed the Earth Day. Never before had this day stood out as clearly, distinctly as it did this time. It was for the first time marked some 50 years back. The intent was to generate awareness about our role to save the planet. But trust me, disastrous climate change, irreversible losses, species on extinction spree, all of that happened. And then a virus happened, the coronavirus, followed by a lockdown, the entire world's lockdown. The lockdown has instead rebooted the Earth. Earth is healing. What 7 billion people and trillions of dollars from across the world could not do to heal Earth, you know what it took actually to heal Earth? A virus which is so tiny that it is hardly visible. And do you know the cumulative weight of the virus that has been responsible for the entire pandemic? The trillions of virus? It is not even 1 gram. 1 gram of virus is all it has taken to heal your planet. The effects on the earth are completely impossible to ignore. For instance, you see animals strolling on the roads. Prides, which were once supposed to be locked in safaris, have been spotted napping in the middle of cities which were once clogged with humans. Visiting birds have suddenly grown in number. One of the key lessons of this pandemic is that the ultimate power that creates life knows how to heal life, provided you are willing to know your bodily mechanism, your own bodies, and provided you're willing to understand the blessings the nature has for us. For example, our kitchen. Our kitchen has an inexhaustive list of items. If we knew them, we could take care of our body of any ailment, or at least most ailments. So let me share one of the ingredients which can do wonders to your body. This ingredient is called Sabja Beej. Sabja Beej, which is also known as sweet basil seeds. And basil is nothing but tulsi. And I'm confident there's hardly any Indian in this world who does not plant tulsi in his or her house. Remember, Sabja Beej is not the same as chia seeds. So chia seeds and sweet basil seeds are different. Now, basil seeds have great nutritious value. For example, they are a natural rich source of protein, vitamin and omega-3 acids. They have a unique effect on body. It keeps the body temperature under control, and for those patients who are diagnosed with diabetes, it does wonders. And not to miss, it also has fat reduction qualities. So those of us who are under lockdown and food binging can just learn the recipe that I'm about to share. So pick up any water bottle, fill it with a glass full of water in it, and add a spoonful of sweet basil seeds. Shake it, and in no time, the seeds will start to swell. The moment they start to swell, they add extra fiber to your body. And this water, you can keep it at your workstation or wherever you're working from home, at home from, and consume it over the day. This particular glassful of water helps you immensely and has magical effects on your body. So this one morning routine can help you introduce a good drink to your daily menu. Trust me, if we are suffering from lifestyle diseases, we have to course correct our lifestyle. Introducing good habits while in lockdown is one thing that you can begin to do. So just pause and think. What is it that you are doing and introducing to your daily routine while you are under lockdown? Just think.